What happens if you build a computer directly on carpet? Carpet is well known for easily creating static electricity, and PC components like graphics cards and motherboards come pre-packaged in anti-static bags to prevent any of this electrostatic charge-up from damaging the components. So let's see for ourselves if building directly on carpet will introduce enough static electricity to prevent our PC from functioning properly. With our PC fully assembled on the carpet, when we boot it up, you can see that it runs as normal, no damage from the static or carpet. That said, it's still best practice to build your PC on a hard, non-insulated surface like a normal table, and periodically ground yourself by touching a power supply that's plugged in.